up, y'all? It's Tami here. Nah, you get out because I'm going to bring you in after. Okay. And I got a special friend with me today.
This is who... Yo, why y'all send me her? She got a boyfriend. She got a boyfriend, my nigga. Wrong video? My bad. Hold on. My bad. I ain't mean to click on the video with her boyfriend. Let me see the other one when she on my dick. Which one? 1 month ago, 2 weeks ago, 4 days ago. SoLLUMINATI reacts to Tami Lin reaction of him versus Flight reacts. Why don't I remember this? I don't never remember reacting to her.
What's good, gang? You know, it's Tami Lin in the building. So what's up with y'all? Hope you had a good Christmas. I hope you had some good ass food. Hope Santa brought everything y'all wanted. But you know why I'm here. So let's jump in this reaction video. I was at home having a little Christmas blunt. And then I got an unexpected Christmas gift. Like, so unexpected. Looking at me like you're confused. Why are you looking at me like that?
Was it the 19th?
I don't know what he gonna say. I mean, I'm a newbie. Don't go too hard on me. Like, a girl been trying to stay for like a month, man. Oh, that shooter in the back? Or what? Who is that? Is that a shooter?
Why do I sound like that? Listen to how I sound.
Aw, thank you.
What the fuck?
I don't even remember this video.
Bro, hold on. Tami Lin, pause for a minute. You looking sexy too. You deserve it. Listen, but look. This video, I remember now. This is right before I got sick, bro. Look at, if y'all hear how I sound in this video, I sound dead, bro. Like, but Tami Lin, before I react to your vid, because I don't know, they been spamming me with your shit, man. And I see you got a boyfriend. That's tough. If this nigga with the blue hair your boyfriend, that's tough, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? But listen, don't give me no signs that. Because if I find out...
Bro, let me understand this correctly. You want me to stop trolling you, yet you don't want to react to my heat. Tell me it ain't so, bro. You can catch a Hall of Fame Joey Daddy Super Punch.
Bro, I turned the donations off! I turned them off!
Illuminati.
Bro, I turned the donations off, bro. Clear as day. How do you turn donations off? Look. How is niggas keep... Alright, look, if I... Bro, how?
React to the next king, so his channel name is Dini West.
Bro, you just sent me that, bro. Bro, this is why I don't stream and why I end my stream, because I'm on here doing something I could do on YouTube. Yet I'm getting interrupted 24/7. Yet I can't even turn. I'm doing it in front of y'all, bro. I'm trying to turn my Tell me how to turn my donations off before I do anything else. Before I do anything, tell me how to turn my donations off, or I'm not doing shit on here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play Roblox, my nigga. That's what I'm going to do. Because all I'm doing right now, what am I doing right now for y'all? And then everybody going to be like, oh, SoLLUMINATI be giving all these girls clout. Who the one sitting here sending me this right now? This is the last day, my nigga. Y'all niggas got 5. Y'all niggas got 7 hours. At 2018, I ain't doing this reaction shit no more on Twitch. Y'all niggas say goodbye. So all y'all who be posting all this shit on YouTube, I'm not doing reactions on Twitch no more, bruh. SoLLUMINATI Roast will be everything far as Twitch, my nigga. Everything I do on Twitch will be on SoLLUMINATI Roast for now. How you feel about that? It's tough, right? How was it tough, though? I let y'all niggas eat all year. I let y'all eat all year while I sit here and get trolled. Now the donations is off, man. Fuck. Come on, bro. I'm done with this shit, bro.
I don't want to fast forward because I know you don't want to miss anything he's saying, but it's like,
Check donations, then click save settings.
Hold on, did he just tell me how to do it? Hold on. I can't react. We'll keep getting interrupted, bro. I can't do this shit, bro.
Bro, I'm immortal. King so never disrespect Indian Illuminati. You feel me? I am the grip.
How do you turn this shit off? Donation settings. Bro, I was on donation settings in your face, my nigga. Do you not see me? Bro, look. Alright, y'all, look, bro. I'm going to just keep it 100 with y'all. If I continue to get interrupted while I do the reactions, bro, I'm not doing it no more. And I'm going to end my stream. Simple! My nigga, I don't... Is this it the whole time? I think I just turned it off. Listen, I could tell by the way she just laughed, she want me. Bad. Look at her. She fantasizing about me already. She thinking of what she could do just to show me on special.
did she whip out the noodles? And yeah, I was hungry. It's fine. I was hungry. She deserves some merch. What? She deserves it. Shit, let me know so I'll send you the address. This is Tami Lin. I didn't know ain't all lights, you know? You said it.
Tami, listen. If you gonna send me your Addy, I'ma just bring you the merch myself. How about that? I'ma hand deliver it to the door. How about that? Alright, that's how we gonna do for 2018. If you want merch from SoLLUMINATI for now, I'ma hand deliver it myself. Alright? I'ma be at your shit like these. Let me stop playing with this girl, bro. Let me stop playing with her, cause she want me. She want me. I'm trying to go crazy. She be greasing her shit up and shit for a nigga. I like her.
You know, merch, pink or white. Pink and white is my favorite colors, you know, but I can low-key slay anything.
How you know I got pink and white in my merch? How you know that?
Alright.
Bro, how is niggas still donating?
I like that he fucking with the noodle. You know, he ain't bougie, you know.
Listen, I'm bougie, I'm spoiled too. You gotta spoil me. Little do you know. If I come over your house, I'm hopping in your bed like these. You gotta do all you can just to show me you special. My nigga, is your screen broke or what?
This bitch eat more though.
Nigga phone just fell face first. Orthodontics, thanks for the sub. Sun Chance, thanks for the sub.
What happened?
You deserve some urge, you deserve it. I mean, your whole plate.
I'll sweet you it to me.
Alright? Man, I'm about to report to school. I'm about to call.
Bro, how am I getting interrupted? She even see me getting interrupted. Y'all see this shit? Like, she reacted to my video of her, but the whole time I was getting interrupted by y'all with donations. That shit irritating. It ain't just me. I see now. That's tough. Alright, that's all she get for today. Hey, Tami Lin, I'm gonna hit you up. You deserve it. As far as this, we gonna leave this right here. But I'm about to play Roblox and Fortnite, and then I'm gonna do a giveaway for y'all real quick. Bro, y'all gotta understand, a lot of shit y'all care about, I just don't no more. Y'all gotta stop letting people eat off of us, man. Oh, man. I'm about to play Roblox real quick. Hey, y'all hold this ad too. I'll show y'all when I hold the ad. Listen, I gotta pee, my nigga. So y'all hold this ad. I'm about to let y'all hold the longest one too. 2 minutes. Y'all gotta hold this. Y'all hold that ad and I'm about to go pee. Y'all be back. Alright, give me a